Hello everyone and welcome to our video. Today we're going to go over the Elecrow Crowtail STEAM Edu Kit from Microbit Kit's program on how to make a rainbow LED using Microbit to drive the Crowtail RGB LED. First, let's take a look at the rainbow project. We see the colors of the RGB LED lights changing in sequence to achieve the rainbow effect. In this project, we will use Microbit to drive a Crowtail RGB LED to create a rainbow effect LED. RGB LEDs are light-emitting diodes that produce a variety of colors by combining three colors of light, red, green, and blue. The brightness of each color can be precisely adjusted to produce different color effects. Next, we will use MakeCode to program it. First, in the MakeCode interface, we first click on Extensions and add the Adafruit NeoPixel driver library. Next, we set the number of RGB LEDs and the color specification in the forever loop. We use the Show Color Red block to set the color of each LED and the Show block to display those colors. We can also use the Pause block to control the speed of the color change. The other colors are then displayed in the same way. Fade from red to orange, then to blue and green, and finally back to red, creating a rainbow effect. Okay, the program is done. Download the program and run it to see the results. Now we have a task. Celebrate a birthday. Difficulty level, 3 stars. Celebrate your friend's birthday using RGB LEDs and a buzzer. Light up the eRGB LED and play the song Happy Birthday at the same time. You can build your circuit according to the circuit diagram below. Now that you have learned how to make a rainbow LED using Microbit, have fun with your friends. We can also expand on this project and try to make a birthday celebration device that lights up RGB LEDs and plays music at the same time. That's it for today's lesson. If you enjoyed our lesson, please follow our account and we'll see you in the next lesson. Thanks.